coming up on Sargent Beach. It is northeast of Matagorda Island, but it's in Matagorda County on the Texas coast. I've made another video about it before, one or two, and in the first video there was a ferry that you had to wait for. It took a long time, but since then they have built this big looping overpass bridge, so it's a lot more convenient to access the beach now. You don't have to worry about getting trapped on it after dark, because the ferry didn't run all night, and you don't have to wait for the ferry. So that's the old ferry house right there in front of the camera. But now we're on the big looping overpass. It's less well known than Matagorda, so we're hoping that even though it's Labor Day weekend, we can find a spot to let the dogs out and have some fun and without being too crowded. I guess we'll see. But if you were put off before by the long 30-minute wait that I recorded on my video, don't worry about that. That's been fixed. And here we are over the overpass, looking out at the bay, about to be on, I think it's called Sargent Island, and I might have erroneously called it Matagorda Island in one of my videos. And when you first go across the bridge, turn to your right, and the first part of the little island here, it's pretty crappy. The beach is messed up, rocks and stuff. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a little seawall that's concrete. Not a lot of fun to walk down, but you got to keep going past all this construction and past the road into the dirt, and then keep going another mile or two for some nice, pristine, clear, and hopefully empty of people beach. So this is the end of the road here on whatever island or peninsula this is called. Should be Sargent Island. And this first part usually has a lot of people, but if you keep going, you can usually find some empty beach. I don't know, it's Labor Day weekend, so I don't know. We'll see.
Here we are, washing the sand off from a long day, Sargent Beach. Oh, they love the water.
Here we are, Sargent Island, near Matagorda. We're in Matagorda County. It's a nice open space where the dogs can play and run around and not bothering anybody. Hardly any traffic here. Every so often a Jeep will go by, that's about it. And our girl found something to roll in.
Oh,
good thing I've got a water buddy and I can rinse her off before we get back in the Jeep.
Okay, let's go do that.
This is some of the trails at Sargent Island down on the coast. It's all dry right now, but this looks like this could get pretty muddy after a rain. I'll have to come back and try this after a rain. It's still kind of fun.